Hi there, today I'd like to take a look at this vacuum. It's the Hoover Commercial Lightweight. This is the indicator for the bag. It tells you when it's red, then it's full. There's the push lever. It's like a one-handed, you push that and it releases the bag. And they say that you don't have to touch the bag then, but I mean, you still gotta. There's that big gaping hole there. You can see how dusty this is. And this filter, you just lift off this plastic piece. Then it's just this little filter here. Then you just put this back in and slide this back on. This one is a little hard to pull out because it kind of catches on that one corner over there, but here's your other filter. It's the same material, this thin piece here. Just line this up on the bottom. Here's your high, low, push down and turn. Really heavy duty cable. Then on the bottom here, this whole thing comes out. It's really hard to do though, specifically this thing over here. Here's the instructions. So basically you just flip this one over, that's easy enough. And then for this one you slide it to lock it or to unlock it. I had a really hard time unlocking it and now I'm not able to lock it again. But I'll show you. Right now it's unlocked. So this whole piece just comes out. So it's really easy to access your belt and your brush. But even with this thing off, I still have a really hard time pushing this at all. It's just really stuck, so I don't even bother with that anymore. It could just be mine. So to put it back on, you're going to line the 3 tabs on the bottom there. Then you just slide this in place, lock this one, and then you're supposed to lock this one as well. As far as power goes, it's very powerful. I have a bunch of Dysons, and I mean, these are all sucking up really well, so no complaints at all about the power. It's just kind of plasticky and rough, really rough around the edges. Like the piece on the bottom doesn't do well for me. It's really hard to push some things to get them to close. That filter thing is kind of hard to pull out, and it's just thin little tiny the white material for the filter. This is kind of short, but it's a really nice hose. It's just a little bit on the short side, and you get a really nice cable here, this little cable clip on the top is kind of useless, but you get a nice handle as well. The brushes still turn when you disconnect this hose. And this thing lays down pretty far, so you can reach underneath furniture very well. So there you go. If there are any questions, go ahead and leave them for me in the comments below. Otherwise, thanks for watching.